Welcome back to another video. I'm excited for this video because today we're gonna go shopping at Walmart. You guys, let's hurry up and get in there. It is cold. I would have to pee right when I get up here. That's that gallon of water. Got a bag of avocados. They were 58 cents each. I got 5 of them. Avocados are so good for you. Just get a whole bunch of those. I'm gonna get a few limes too. Right now they're 32 cents. These are really good for you. They help detox your body. So that's why I'm getting them. Well, I want some pears. These look good. I'm gonna get some pears. I'm gonna get a bag. A few of these, you guys. I think you're supposed to get these when they're kind of soft, not too soft. I need some kiwi fruits. Just look at them, make sure they're not too messed up like that, like so. We got some bananas right now, but if I were to pick them, I would pick these. I'll try to get the smallest ones possible, just because I believe they're better for you that way. We might just get them. I love bananas. We'll probably get them. Yeah, we're gonna get them. I'm gonna try to find some watermelons with seeds. I was reading earlier that watermelon seeds are the best thing for you. Dang it, seedless. No, I get a pineapple too. I only got $1.88. Now you guys know how to pick these. I just don't know how I'm gonna eat this in the car yet, so that's something I gotta do some research on. We'll figure that out as we go. That's what we're doing, figuring out stuff as we go. Ooh, I saw some mangoes. 86 cents each. I'm gonna get like 2 of these. Now with mangoes, they gotta be kinda soft. They're just a little soft, not too soft. $2.98 for 5. Vine ripened tomatoes, $1.77 a pound, $1.88. Matchstick carrots, $1.88. I'm gonna make some sushi with these. Gotta make sure it has the navel. I'm gonna get about 3 of these right now. I'm gonna get a pomegranate too. They are $1.98 right now. It's a small one. I'm gonna eat that with some hummus. So we're gonna get this kimchi. It's spicy. It's $4.48. This is the healthy probiotics, but I gotta take the sodium first. So it has 180 grams of sodium. That's not bad. Major concern you want to get with nut butters is make sure it doesn't have any added oils. This one just says roasted almonds, and it only has one ingredient, which is roasted almonds. So this one's almost $7. It's not bad. Bread. This was the multigrain from Walmart. It was $1.33. 2 cans of seasoned black beans. We get dark, right? Dark is better for you. Why not? So 3 cans of beans. They're 58 cents each. If you like easy frozen foods. Not frozen foods, but just easy foods. These, not the Morningstar. Sorry. The Garden. There's really good choices. Just don't do. You just have to use these in moderation, you guys. I think some of those are vegan too, plant-based. I know these are plant-based. I've had the spicy bean burger. It's not bad. I don't usually get these, but I trust this brand, Gaia. They have really good frozen pizzas that are fully vegan. Plant-based yogurts, you could try those. I haven't tried them yet. It's up there too. I got a lot of different flavors. They also have this little water thing you can do here. It's like a 5-step filterization water for 39 cents a gallon. Bring your own bottles. 29 cents a gallon. That's that cheap. $1.89. I believe I got everything I needed from here. So let's recap real quick. Let's go. Just so you guys know, there's a few things that I didn't buy, like plant-based milk. I didn't buy any nuts or berries. I just don't need those right now. I also didn't buy any oatmeal. I don't need those right now, or either I just don't have room in my cooler, or either I buy those certain items like frozen berries at Dollar Tree. I find them to be more expensive at places like Walmart and things like that. So I'll probably do a video on a Dollar Tree food run just so you guys can see exactly what I get from Dollar Tree. And I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you guys got some insight and some value here. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys for joining my family. Thank you guys for being here. Take care.